Hey, Jim Parr here, and we're going to talk about Zoom and how you can use a whiteboard and do some illustrations and some really cool things for teaching on Zoom. So watch this video real quick. Okay, we're back and we are in Zoom right now. So you can see we're in the platform. I've got a little icon I put on here, stream starting soon, because I do a lot of teaching on Zoom. And so when my students are coming in, I have that just to let them know that, hey, we're gonna be starting soon. You can change that just in your settings anytime you want in your account, in the back end of your account. Just edit the settings. So we're going to talk about how to share a whiteboard, and because a lot of you are using Zoom as a teaching platform. So basically I just went down here, I hit the share screen button that goes up, and we can share to an iPhone or an iPad. So we could actually do a couple things. We could screencast our iPhone or iPad onto the Zoom call so we could teach and draw on there. Or you can select this right here by whiteboard. Typically you're just going to have a desktop. I've got multiple screens, but you're going to have a desktop and a whiteboard in the iPhone, iPad option. So we're going to show you how to use the whiteboard, because a lot of people are teaching and using this as a platform for teaching. So the cool thing is here, you have a lot of different options. You can draw, and it's kind of hard to draw with this type of pencil. You can get different things like a bamboo, they call it, to draw on at Amazon, and use that to write on, or you could use an iPad. But the cool thing here is there's a lot of different options. Under draw, here's, we could make a box, and we could color that box in with different options there. We could add a circle. So under draw, there's a lot of different options here. I'm not going to go through them all. But the other option is to click text, and we're just going to put in test whiteboard. So, and it helps to spell it right. So we can do a lot of different things with the text. We can change the colors of it. If we want to go in here and erase it, you just click erase and it'll take that out or take that out. We can spotlight different things. So if you want to, have a cursor with a spotlight and you're pointing at different things, that is helpful. Here's an arrow, so you could have bullet points. But there's obviously a lot of different formatting here. So when you click on formatting and we go to the draw elements, we can make this bigger, change the colors, highlight, if you wanted to highlight something. You could even drop a PowerPoint in here and then draw over top that PowerPoint if you really choose to do so. So there's some really good things. If you want to clear the board, you just go down in the bottom right here and click that and then start all over. So it's basically very simple to do. And there's lots of different options here. So you can put different things in here. But it's great for teaching, great for schools, whatever you're doing. So check out the whiteboard. You can save your drawings and export them to a file if you choose to do that just by hitting the save button. So I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with anybody you care about, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.